Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on stacks for the higher time frames, specifically the monthly and the weekly. So, as always, our key level criteria. We want to be looking for swing lows and swing highs, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first level that we can spot is our key resistance level swing high. As price came up and reacted with this wick, creating the key level, and it was validated once price came up and reversed from the same key level. So we had multiple rejections, and it's quite obvious to spot, as well as a swing high on the price chart. So what do we notice? Well, we notice some more reactions to this level right here. Now, let's plot a key level. As we can see, price came up, reacted to the key level, price came down, reacting to the key level here, and when price came up and reversed, we've seen a third reaction to the same key level. So, let's go ahead and jump into the weekly and see if we can fine tune these more. Now, what can we see? Well, we see price action reacting to the level here. We see it reacting over here. We see it reacting here and also over here. So, price varies on the range at this key level. So what we're going to do is plot in a zone. The zone gives us more of an idea of the general area where we want to see price react. As you can see here, 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 and here are all areas where price reacted before momentum carried through. So, what else can we find? Well, since these are weekly candle closes, and we have multiple reactions to these same levels, we can also plot a key level and color coordinate it so we know it came from the weekly chart. And I deleted it. I meant to lock it. So, what is the price range between these two levels? It is about a 15% difference from our weekly level to our monthly level, and we can see that they did not close above this key level on the weekly. If we drop down to the daily, we can see more clearly how fast price reacted once it got to these levels, as supply outweighed demand and carried all the way back down. Let's head back to the weekly. So another key level that we can see is right below it, where price was reacting. There we can see price came up and almost formed a level of support before initially breaking through. But when price came back up, we see multiple reactions holding this key level before price blew past it with high volume, sending price further down. So what else can we find? Let's go ahead and hop into the most recent price action and see what levels we can see, as the most recent swing highs, as we see here, can be very key as price approaches the same level again, as it was once respected most recent, so there's a high probability that we will see a reaction from the same key level since it was so recent. Now, let's reset the chart. One more key level that I spot is right here. So, as we just marked our most recent swing high here, we also see a low point where price reversed quite drastically. And although here we did not really see a reaction, price basically just broke right through. we did have this long wick here, which shows that this candle has reacted to the same key level. So as price comes back up to the same key level, we can expect a reaction, although price may just break right through. But it's better to have it plotted on our chart, as when we see price action forming around the level, we know that there's a reaction occurring. So reset our chart and take a look at what we found. These are all the key levels on the higher time frame for stacks. If you guys enjoyed this video and got some value, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.